So, well, today I kind of want to rework a little bit the combo, mostly because this is not really that, well, it's not really that ideal to work with. Okay, so instead of just holding the logic we have here, and instead of just having an array of animation names and stuff like that, this can get a little bit too over cumbersome. So we're going to change this, and we're going to let the animations actually control the combos and stuff like that. Okay, so let's go open up our weapon, and we're going to actually assign the item action container. We're going to simply remove the array, and it's just going to keep the first animation we have onto this. We can still keep the execute action just in case, just in case there's some different logic to that. Maybe we have spells, stuff like that, or maybe we can remove it entirely in the future. We'll see how it goes. Removing the array now is going to give us a few errors, which we're going to want to fix. Okay, so when we execute the action, we're not really going to be doing anything else here. We're not going to be including the animation index anymore, so we can delete that. And then this is not needed anymore. We know we already have this, and so we can simply say item container animation name, and we can remove this. So let's simplify this even further. Can remove that, place this in here, and delete this and this as well. Okay, simple enough. Let's save this. Now we got a few other errors because we do not have the animation index anymore. We can delete it, however, and we can say on our character state manager, or on disable combo, we could actually just say that you can do combo over here the same way we were doing it before. Oops. Copy this, and we can go down here. Disable combo, can say equals false, and let's do a find our references. States enable combo, okay. Can do combo, okay. Okay, so with this we are correct. So now we are left to what are we going to do about the how do we pass data. So how do we tell? We know we want to actually update this method, or we want to play this animation. So here's what I'm going to say. I'm going to add on the animation itself, I'm going to add a few things, a few variables. First of all, we need to decide, I think it makes a little bit more sense if we use animator state behaviors in this case, because it's going to make it easier for us to jump from one attack to basically another attack. So we're going to add this as a behavior. Okay, so let's actually add a behavior, and we can call this combo info or something like that, I guess. Let's open it up. Okay, add the namespace and add everything like this. So on state enter, we don't really need anything else. We're going to update either on the animator, well, we'll actually just need the character state manager in this case, character, and we need to change this to refactor too. So let's save the character state manager. Okay, the first thing we need to do is if state manager is null, come on, then state manager we can get it from Animator, which is the child object of usually a character state manager, transform dot get component in parent character state manager. Okay, now that we know what the state manager is, I'm going to make it shorter. So inside our character state manager, we're going to include some combo logic, some combo information. And let's create a class here, combo path, or let's just say combo, I guess. Then this will be a serializable class, and all we need is public string animation name and public, let's see, I think we have it as controller input. Controller, no, let's take a look at our input manager. Yeah, okay, so we need to kinda know we kinda need to know or have our input as an enum as well. Okay, so let's make this here, public. Actually, let me see the entire kicking down, okay. Handles, handle attacking. Yeah, we already have the attack inputs. Okay, so back to character state manager. Basically, our attack input. Okay, then we're going to have an array of public combo current combo. On our combo iffor, we'll close this. On our combo iffor, then we're going to have a combo array combo, or combo, yeah, okay, let's say combos. Yeah, it's not really the best naming convention, but you get the idea. So all we need to be doing now is when we're rendering the state to say that current combo will be our combos now. Okay, now on our character state manager, let's create a few methods. We can actually make them, you know what, we do have this, but I think we're overwriting this on the player state manager, so let's do the override. Okay, so if we do combo, and let's see, where do we actually do this? Yeah, okay, so is attacking. We're going to change this, the definition for this, as to attack input. We need to know the input. Input, okay. Close that. And this one now will be our attack input. Is attacking, okay, okay. Okay, awesome. Goal definition. And we're going to say that we actually need to find the combo from the attack inputs. So we're going to go on to our character state manager now, because here's where we have the current combo, and we might want this. Actually, we do not care. We can just add it here. Okay, because the player state manager is only going to be using attack inputs. So get combo from input, attack inputs, inputs. And we're going to just do a for loop from on the current combo dot length and if current combo I dot input equals your input, simply return current combo I. If none of this returns, then return null, and if current combo is null, return null as well. Okay, so combo, get combo from input. Okay, if combo is null, do nothing. Otherwise, yeah, execute item action. This is not really what we want right now. We know it's going to be a combo. So we can say, or let's take the attack action. So maybe weapon action. What do we do with this? Assign. Yeah, okay, let's copy this as well, doesn't matter. Let's paste this too. We don't want this anymore. Weapon item. I think we can just assign the current weapon in use. Current item. Okay, and then combo animation name is interacting and is mirrored. We can just take it from current item action dot is mirrored. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let's see, I think we might get an error because we changed the do combo. No, we don't. Okay, we're good. So, okay, we have now jumping off points. So on this first combo, we can say if I press animation name, if I press the right bumper here, whenever the combo, or whenever you can do the combo, actually. Okay, and we control that via Windows animation. Let's select the character. Yeah, it's read only, so let's select the animation from here, I guess. Art, animations, locomotion. Oops, not this one. Well, anyway, let's write 100. Attack 1. Okay, here's our animations. Here's where you can enable rotation, open damage collider, close damage collider, and you can enable the combo from here. Okay, it's still the same logic we were using before. We just know that we have passed now some new combo information. And well, right now we only have one attack, so let's say th attack 1 with the right trigger. We can also do, well, just to prove my point, I'm going to say move to roll with the left trigger, move to roll instead of the attack. Obviously this is just going to look ugly. Just going to show you how the logic for the attack is, for the combo is now going to be. Okay, so without changing pretty much, well, without changing much, and let's see, why would we have a problem with I think we have an issue with our movement, which I don't know where this is coming from. Okay, so we kind of have an issue. Let's find it. Okay, that's weird. We didn't actually change anything. That this will have been allowed anyway. And Yeah, I have no idea why this is happening right now. Well, let's go to the player state manager and let's start debugging it. We do have all these attack states, unless we're running the combo, which I don't think we do. Let's keep this at 1. So unless we were going on the roll. That's weird. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's start debugging then. So, move player character. Move player character. State locked on is grounded. Okay, handle rotation, handle animation. So ground is grounded. Play target animation. Did we change anything? I don't understand now. Play target item action. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look on our. We should find it out from our states. Probably. Vertical. We know that you are grounded. Let's move this guy up a bit. Try work this out. Okay. Now, well, at least this look kind of correct to me. So I don't know why. Is on air, is interacting, user motion, local. Okay. So let's try and play a character. Well, this will be running. So let's say pass me your target velocity here. Let's find our animations. Void handle animations if you're not locked on. Okay, then let's do a debug.log states.move amount. I also want to put inside the input manager any of our combos, and maybe inside our attack inputs I'm also going to put a none to this, and it's going to start as none. Okay, so if notice is attacking, if attack input not equals attack inputs dot none, play a target item action with your attack input. Okay, okay. Then on your attack action, this will be only running once. So let's do a debug.log execute item action. Okay, save that and hit play. Okay, so we are moving and the values we're getting are fine. At least That's what it seems so. Don't know if it's then it's the animator that's doing the problem. Close on enter state. Empty is empty, okay. OH attack. Yeah, okay. I think that we have some overriding logic. Let's delete that debug log. Well, this too works fine. Let's take a look at our base layer then. Maybe it's the animation. Oh, maybe it's the attack on the greatsword that is actually empty. Animation name, let's say OH or simply attack 1. Yeah, I think it might be that. Don't know why though. We'll see. Okay, wasn't that. But we sure can move around. Well, we can play the item actions then. Now, we do have a deadlock. Well, this seems correct for the most part as well. Okay, hello missions. Okay. Let's see, do we get this? Do we actually come in here? Let's find this is attacking. Also this needs to be as none. And if attack input is not attack inputs dot none, then do that attack is attacking equals false. True. Yeah, we're also only closing the attacking in here. Okay. Let's go to the input manager. Turn is attacking, and on your return, what do you do? If return value, okay, count the combo, then from that you are seeing if you can. Okay. Interesting, okay. Should play. Okay, let's see, where are we on? Well, let's hold on. Yeah, okay, so the problem wasn't actually on the code. The problem was that on the right arm we were actually missing a mask. For whatever reason we lost the mask, so I really don't know why that will be the cause. So yeah, as you can see, we are running normally. Then we can attack, but we have an issue with our combo. First of all, let me remove the debug logs I've added, just to test this. But yeah, I don't know why actually Unity lost the mask. Who knows? Okay, now, and let's check the animation we're actually playing. Let's compile. Clear that. Then on the override, on the attack 1, OH attack 1, we need to know if we do indeed have the enable combo. Close damage collider. Okay, so enable combo is going to fire here. Inside the enable combo, we have the animator hook, where it should be somewhere here. Animator hook. Enable combo, can do combo. So let's do a debug log here as well. Say enable combo, and let's check. Okay, so I'm going to select this, and I want you to pay attention on the states we have on the right side of the screen on the can do combo. Okay, it should turn on once we get the debug log for doing the combo. Okay, and there it was, enable combo. And there is a very short second that we could run this. And we have this as the right trigger. Okay, so let's make this, the enable combo, to be slightly bigger for testing purposes, obviously. And say from this, let's put it back from, well, here. Once the damage collider closes, we can attack. Then inputs from combo, let's start testing this out. There's combo input. Okay, so we should get there's combo input here, then attack input, get combo from INP, and if the combo is null, we should do debug.log no combo input 4 plus INP. Save that, minimize, and let's hit play. And I think we have it as the right trigger. Okay, so enable combo, and we are on a deadlock. Now, none of these run, which means we're probably not even coming in here. Input from combo, which means maybe we are not. No, our attack state is in here. So monitor interacting, new inputs from combo, this execute on state execute equals false. Yeah, I don't know why that's going to happen. Enable combo. Let's actually hold down one of the keys or whatever. Yeah, the execute is not running, I guess. Inputs from combo, let's do debug. And hit play. Let's not play. Okay, inputs from combo are running. And we do get okay, I think maybe we are closing the can do combo pretty fast. That's why we can't do that. Okay, we know this is running. So let's see where maybe we are disabling the combo. And that will be on our character state manager. Let's see, disable combo. We're doing this when we're changing the state. Let's remove it from locomotion and enter. Let's see, disable combo variables. Let's remove this as well. Let's try this now. Oh, come on. Okay, so we do get this, but that's weird. If I hold down the right bumper, we get no combo input for right bumper. Okay, but if I hold down the right trigger, it doesn't actually work. Yeah, so maybe it's we have wrong the way we are getting the triggers. So let's switch this. Yeah, I don't know why though. Let's see, this should have worked, but whatever, it doesn't work. Okay, well, what I want to do is actually, if there's no attack animation, so let's say play target item, I'm going to change this into a bool. So this will be a bool. Okay, then this return true or whatever, doesn't matter. Or it can be an abstract method anyway. Then on your player state manager, this will be a bool, and if the item action container, I see, it's not null, okay, execute the item action, else return false, and in here we also need to return true. Then back to our input manager, we're going to say bool has animation or has attack, and if has attack, change the state, else you're not attacking. Okay, same with our attack input. If you're going to do combo, okay, well actually we are doing this here, so it doesn't matter, we know that we're not going to play the attack animation. So this will eliminate the deadlocks we have if we are playing on the left bumper. Well, it didn't, so that means we always getting the item container. Let's see, attack one. So we are always getting an item attack container because we have the default ones, don't we? Yeah, okay, so let's improvise and say play target attack action. Okay, get item container, attack inputs, item container. Yeah, it's from the item actions which we override. So if I see dot anim name, or if string dot is null or empty, so if it's not, run main anim name, execute item action. Okay, and we don't have any more deadlocks. So I don't know what's happening with the triggers, but just for us to test this, we can change this to left bumper for our combos. Okay, so play this and this. Okay, so this way we can have different combos. Let's add one more thing. Let's say if I press the right bumper now, it's going to move to a roll for whatever reason. Okay, so I'm going to attack and I'm going to do the roll. Doesn't matter if we have a missing event. Okay, we just want to say that we're playing an animation. Oop and doop. So I think you see how this is much easier. Let's maybe do a punch one. Let's remove the first one. So we're going to say attack one, right bumper will go to punch one, and from punch one we're going to create another array of combos, and we're going to say go to th attack one if you are pressing the left bumper. Let's try this. So attack to the punch, left bumper to the combo. So we'll see with minimal effort we actually made a combo system that's animation driven instead of having multiple data and stuff like that. We simply can use this and it works perfectly. Attack, punch, heavy attack. Awesome. So yeah, let's keep this. I really like the system, so it feels more fluid, to be honest, and easier to do changes and do changes on the attacks and so on and so on. Anyway, so as always, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and if you like to see more stuff like this, more things, more videos, more everything, then consider supporting me on Patreon so we can keep making a lot more videos like this. I'll see you next time.